You aren't stuck because you lack potential. You're stuck because your daily habits aren't aligned with the person you want to become. Most of what we call hobbies today, scrolling, binging, gaming, are just ways to kill time. But time is the only currency you can't earn back. Imagine if your hobbies didn't just pass time, but actually built your future. There are 3 specific pillars, 3 types of hobbies, that every successful person uses to stay ahead. They aren't chores, they are the foundation of a powerful life. Let's build that foundation. Pillar 1, the growth hobby, sharpen the mind. The most dangerous thing you can do is believe that you know enough. A growth hobby is about keeping your mind young and sharp. When you learn a new skill, a new language, or dive into a deep book, you aren't just collecting facts. You are literally expanding the boundaries of your world. It makes you more creative, more confident, and more capable of solving problems that stop everyone else. Don't just learn to get a job. Learn to become a person who can handle any situation. Pillar 2, the strength hobby, honor the body. Your mind and body aren't separate. They are a single system. A physical hobby isn't about the mirror. It's about the feeling of being in control. When you run, lift, or practice a sport, you are flushing out stress and replacing it with clarity. Physical discipline translates into mental discipline. When you prove to yourself that you can push through 1 more mile or 1 more rep, you realize you can also push through the hard days in your career and your relationships. Your body is your only true home. Make it strong. Pillar 3, the creative hobby, find your voice. There is a deep satisfaction in making something that didn't exist before. We spend so much time consuming what others have made that we forget our own power to create. A creative hobby, writing, coding, building, or designing, gives you a sense of purpose. It moves you from being a spectator to being a creator. When you create, you aren't just passing time, you are leaving a mark. You are turning your inner ideas into outer reality. Find one thing that allows you to express who you truly are. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do with your free time. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Pick one hobby to sharpen your mind, one to strengthen your body, and one to fuel your soul. The journey to a better life isn't a giant leap. It's a few small, consistent steps in the right direction. The architect of your future is you. Start building.